पणजेची कलेक्टर, डेप्युटी कलेक्टर, मामलेदार, रेव्हेन्यू अशी विविध ऑफिसां असलेली पोर्तुगीज तेंपावेली बिल्डिंग म्हातारी जाल्या. सगळ्या ऑफिसांतलो स्टाफ चिड्डून माड्डून बसता. ह्या स्टाफाक पोरणे बिल्डिंगेंतल्यान मुक्ती मेळून नव्या नियोजित रेव्हेन्यू भवनात केन्ना बसका घेवपाक मेळटली अजूनय निश्चित ना. रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर बाबूश मोन्सेरातान पणजेचे रेव्हेन्यू आनी कलेक्टर कार्यालयाक अचकीत भेट दिली. पोरणे इमारतींतल्या सगळ्याच कचेऱ्यांनी अधिकारी आनी खास करून कर्मचारी अडचणीत बसतात अशें ताचे नदरेक आयलें. तुमचें रेव्हेन्यू भवन केन्ना जाग्यार पडटलें असो प्रश्नय बाबुशाक मिडियान विचारलो. ताचे कडेन निश्चित मुहूर्ताची जाप नासली. आयकुया बाबुशाक.
Okay, ma'am. After taking charge, I have not come. So I said, let me come and visit your district. But, I just had a review meeting with the collector and Mamlatdar and the deputy collector.
પછી कितें शिफ्ट बी करपाचें कितें
Sorry?
ऑफिस going to shift or something.
Not shifting around. I think a lot of renovation is required. I think we got to do something through CSR because PWD basically it takes long time, and office is more cramped, and we will basically pursue as far as the new revenue building is concerned.
But revenue building
That is pending for long.
cannot ready after since
No,
you
I
are now.
cannot say. No, I cannot say actually because what has happened last time also we had discussed with CM as far as revenue Bhavan is concerned because it was supposed to be held there on Pato. Yeah. So and some amount was even this thing to the budget. So let us see because JSIDC was supposed to take up the job.
This is the very the oldest building that having this office.
should be
I think it's a
lot of
maintenance
importance
also.
as
It
far as
takes a
we
long.
Yeah, no, that's the reason I'm saying off and on. Since it's old, off and on renovation is required. And even as far as sitting of the staff is concerned, it's little cramped. So we need a bigger place also. So we will basically pursue with CM as far as the revenue Bhavan is concerned.
So how fast it will be?
No, I cannot say because JSIDC is supposed to take up the job. I think plans were always already in place. And funds also were actually through budget. I think allocation was done. So I'll just speak to see.
Goa365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.